In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to change the page margins in Google Docs. So, if you're using Google Docs and you want to change the margins of your document, so the gap around the edge of the document between the text and the edge of the document will be bigger or smaller, in this video, Timmy's going to show you how you can do that. So, when you're in your Google Doc, you'll just need to come up to File here, and then come down here to Page Setup, and click on Page Setup. And now you'll see margins here, and they're in inches. So if you wanted to make the margin 2 inches instead of the default 1 inches, you could just type 2 in each of these boxes, and then click on OK. And now the margin is ridiculously huge. You probably wouldn't want to have a 2-inch margin very often, but if you ever wanted to, you could do that. And now the margin will be 2 inches on every page. So that's really cool. Or if you wanted to make the margin quite small, you could maybe change it to 0.5 inches right around it. And click on OK. And now the margin is really quite small, so the text is very close to the edges of the document. So that's really cool as well. And you can also have uneven margins if you want. So if you click on File and come down to Page Setup again, you could maybe have 2 inches on the top and the bottom, and 0.5 on left and right if you want, and click on OK. And now there's a big gap on the top and on the bottom, but on the left and the right, it's quite a small margin. So that's really cool, and that's really all there is to changing the margin in Google Docs. It's quite an easy feature to do, but it can make quite a big difference to your document if you want to change it up a bit. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, please click on the thumbs up button down below, and Timmy will see you in the next video.